Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7836 Freeman Hollow Road in Bath, nearby HAMMONDSPORT and KEUKA Lake.
This is a spectacular nature's paradise with 2 ponds, a creek, and approximately 70 acres with panoramic views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
The meandering driveway provides ultimate nature views from beautiful hillsides to views of the creek. You hear the sounds of nature, birds chirping and owls hooting, and also the smell of evergreen trees. The air is pure, so nature is at its best. Then you reach this idyllic nature getaway. What a wonderful grand entrance to this exceptional home.
Enjoy being tucked away in the woods with phenomenal open living. Featuring a great room with a spacious living area with rustic pine walls and ceiling, a stunning stone fireplace wall with stones from the creek that feature fossils from thousands of years ago, and beautiful southern white pine floors, leading to the dining area with an accent wall of Adirondack oak, scenic views, and an arched entryway to the vaulted ceiling kitchen, with gorgeous cherry cabinetry, butcher block oak countertops, stainless steel appliances, and those beautiful southern white pine floors. Enter the bonus room through a historic monastery door from St. Louis, with great flex space for a first floor bedroom, laundry, walk-in closet, and a sliding glass door to the exterior, all with a convenient first floor full bathroom.
This rustic spiral staircase leads you to the second floor with a spectacular cathedral ceiling great room featuring skylights, a propane stove, a wall of windows overlooking the pond, and a sliding glass door to the elevated nature view deck, perfect for entertaining. 2 glass French doors open to a spacious bedroom with black walnut wood walls and shutters looking over the first floor, a walk-in closet or potential office, and a sitting room leading to a relaxing bathroom with a jetted tub and private balcony, perfect for relaxing. This beautifully designed residence has quality craftsmanship and is evident in the details. This lotus pond with an island features lily pad blossoms and other plantings of nature. What a great way to view nature and relax.
Enjoy hiking all the trails and looking at over 71 different species of trees and arriving at the second pond with koi fish. This is a nature's paradise.
This rare property has approximately 70 pristine acres, including a creek, ponds, and hilltop sites, with over 50-mile views, yet minutes away to the charming village of HAMMONDSPORT and KEUKA Lake. Rob, this is a great place.
Yes, HAMMONDSPORT is a charming and quaint village located at the south end of KEUKA Lake, with a waterfront park and a quaint town square park, surrounded with exceptional restaurants and shops. What a great place to live! Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7836 Freeman Hollow Road in Bath.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!